Computing on a laptop has taken on new norms and forms. Many professionals have moved from office desks to home offices and back again. Sometimes, work can get done on a coffee or kitchen table or in the corporate office common areas and conference rooms. But at other times, you need a proper desktop-style setup with multiple monitors, more USB ports, and maybe even an Ethernet jack for a more stable internet connection. If you don't want to manage a pack of dongles and adapters for everything, from external displays to USB hubs, a docking station is your best solution short of buying a separate desktop PC. Check out our list of the top Windows docking platforms to find the best accessory for your needs. The 11-in-1 Anker 568 dock offers a formidable array of ports if you have a new laptop with a USB 4 port. It combines a 40 Gbps upstream USB-C port with 100 watts of charging, two 10 Gbps USB-C ports, two 5 Gbps USB-A 3.1 port, an Ethernet port, two USB 2.0 ports, two display ports, and an HDMI port. The monitor port lets you connect three 4K displays to your laptop, while a Kensington Nano Saver lock slot keeps the dock from walking away from your desk. Dell's sleek WD-22TB4 is a Thunderbolt 4 dock with a difference. A swappable module that allows future changes as your IT department desires. The rear panel also contains two DisplayPort 1.4 ports, one HDMI 2.0 port, a USB-C multifunction DisplayPort, two USB-A 3.2 ports, and a Gigabyte Ethernet port, as well as the power connector. Up front, the 1.1 by 8.1 by 3.5 inch dock offers two USB 3.2 ports, one Type-C and one Type-A with PowerShare. Combining a slew of ports with up to 85 watts of power delivery 3.0 pass-through, the IO Gear Dock Pro 100 USB-C 4K Ultra Slim Station offers three USB 3.0 Type-A ports and three video outputs, DisplayPort and HDMI, plus 1080p VGA. You also get a Gigabyte Ethernet port, SD and micro SD memory card slots, and a USB-C pass-through. A baker's dozen is the best number of donuts, and 13 is an equally lucky number for Ugreen's RevoDeck Max 213 Thunderbolt 13-in-1 docking station. This Dynamo dock uses the power of Thunderbolt 4 to deliver 40 Gbps data transfer and either dual 4K 60Hz or single 8K display. You'll find three 10 Gbps USB ports up front, along with a headphone jack and SD and TF flash card slots. Dual Thunderbolt 4 ports are around back, as are an 8K display port, dual 5 Gbps USB-A ports, and 2.5 Gbps Ethernet. The Max 213 measures 5.8 by 3.8 by 2 inches. Its 10 Gbps USB-C interface isn't as fast as a laptop's internal PCI Express connection, but J5 Create's model JCD552 M.2 NVMe USB-C Gen 2 docking station is a unique way to expand your notebook storage. The 1 by 12.5 by 3.1 inch gray and black aluminum dock has a compartment for an NVMe or SATA M.2 solid-state drive. It connects to your laptop using two USB-C cables and offers 100 watts of power delivery pass-through. The docking station has 4K DisplayPort and HDMI video outputs, a Gigabit Ethernet port, SD and micro SD card slots, and three USB Type-A ports, in addition to the M.2 SSD slot. A security cable lock slot keeps it from walking away from your desk.